everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to dive deeper into the object-oriented programming world by learning the concept of four main pillars of OOP. Our first main pillar of object-oriented programming is encapsulation, and a very important one. Let's get started. What is encapsulation? Encapsulation is the way to restrict some direct access to your specific object or class so that user cannot access your particular data. Let's take the real-life example of encapsulation and understand how it is work. So suppose that you have a bank account and your bank balance variable now declared as public variable. So anyone in this world can access and know your bank account balance. Do you like it? No, obviously, right? If your account balance should be declared private so that the user or also you have to access some private methods or variables to get that account balance, to get to know about that account balance, and it will ask you some user ID, your password for further authentications, right? By using this, you are saving your important data by utilizing the concept of data hiding. We are going to do some hands-on demo in this video so that you will be able to understand the concept of encapsulation.
Let's get started with the real-world problem of encapsulation, in which I am making my class which name airplane, and inside my class I am declaring some variable and it's a private, so I am declaring the flight name. The destination of the flight, it's a string and contains the private attribute. And now I have got a delay time, and after that I am going to use this local time and then schedule department. What is this local time? First of all, let me just import from java.time package. I am importing this local time. It helps us to get the local time of any country. After declaring my variables, I am going to make my constructor which contains the same name of the class, and inside my constructor I am passing all the parameters that I have defined earlier. So after finally passing all parameters, I am going to initialize mine, assigning my variables inside the constructor. Here I am assigning all the variables that I have defined earlier on the class. I'm containing delay time is equal to 0 because now there is no delay time. We are going to provide delay time later on our main class. So I'm going to define a schedule departure, and after defining my constructor all set to go. Now our time to make getter and setter method in Java. So in Eclipse it's easy to click on the variable and it will automatically create getter and setter method for you. This is the power of Java. So after creating all the getter and setter method of my all variables, I am going to make a new method which contains the name delay, in which we will calculate the delay of the flight. Inside this method, let me just pass some parameters named minutes because we are calculating a minutes of the time. And now I am writing that this dot delay time is equal to minutes, like how many minutes a flight going to be late. And now I'm defining a schedule department to department, and let me just use a one method which is plus minute. It is going to add the delay minute into the previous minute so that it will give us the calculated minutes. Now the next method is going to be the check status. It is going to check the status of the flight. So here I need to write something which is if and else statement, because checking that if the delay time is equal to 0, simply print out the message on the screen that system.out.println flight name, and then it's going to print out the message that the flight is on time. So this if condition is containing this, and now it's time to write else condition. Else condition is going to be that when the flight is got delayed. Now we are writing the message that the flight and the name of the flight, and after that is delayed, and after that we will print out the delayed time, how much time flight got delayed, and then we will write like how many minutes. So let me just write a message here that minutes. We are all set to go. Our airplane class is all done. We have made the methods, classes, constructor, getter, setter method all set to go. Now it's time to make our main class. So let's get right into it. Inside my main class, I have created my new class in which I have named its main.java. Inside my main class, I am writing my main method, and in my main class I can easily access those variables because we have used the getter and setter method. And now let me just make an object named flight1, and in the object I am passing the parameter the name of the flight, and after that the destination where the flight goes. And after defining the destination, I will provide the local time of that destination by using that local time method that we have used. Inside, it allows us to provide the hour and the minute of that destination. So I'm providing this. I have successfully made 3 objects of flight, which is flight 1, flight 2 and flight 3, and inside this I have provided all the basic information of the flight. And after that I'm using the object and calling the check status method, which is going to check the status of the flight. And after that I'm going to make use the one object and call the delay method, and inside this I am going to pass the minutes, the how many minutes I have got my flight late. So I have got that 20 minutes and 40 minutes delay flight, that my flight 3 is delayed 40 minutes. So it should print out the message like that the flight 3 got delayed 40 minutes and flight 1 got delayed 20 minutes. So I'm writing a message here on my terminal, which is current status, and calling the methods again so that it will update my status of the flight and print out the real status of flight. And after doing that, let's just run the program and see if it's working. So this program is working fine, and my flight Air Arabia is delayed by 20 minutes and flight Emirates is delayed by 40 minutes. This program contains all the basic concept of encapsulation. I hope you have learned everything.
So that's it for the video, guys. I hope you liked the video and you have got all the concept of encapsulation. I hope by the end of this video you have learned encapsulation very well. And if you have some QA, you can ask me on comment, and I will meet you guys in my next tutorial. Till then, like, share and subscribe. Till then.